Welcome to our kitchen, where we're about to embark on a culinary adventure. Today we have a fantastic recipe that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Get ready for a mouth-watering combination of spicy, tangy spare ribs, sautéed vegetables, and crispy potato pancakes. Now let's start with the star of the show, the spare ribs. To achieve that perfect balance of heat and tanginess, we'll marinate the ribs in a flavorful blend of spices. Mix together some chili powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and a touch of brown sugar. Rub this heavenly concoction all over the ribs, making sure to coat them thoroughly. Allow the flavors to meld together by letting the ribs marinate for at least an hour, or even better, overnight. Once the ribs have marinated to perfection, it's time to cook them to tender, juicy perfection. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and place the ribs on the grates. Let them cook for about 5-6 minutes on each side, or until they develop a beautiful char and the meat is cooked through. As the ribs sizzle and release their mouth-watering aroma, you'll know that something truly delicious is in the making. While the ribs are grilling, let's turn our attention to the sautéed vegetables. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add in a medley of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and onions. Sprinkle in some salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for an extra kick. Sauté the vegetables until they become tender, yet still retain their vibrant colors. The combination of flavors and textures will add a delightful contrast to the spare ribs. Now let's move on to the final component of our culinary masterpiece, the potato pancakes. Grate some potatoes and squeeze out any excess moisture. In a bowl, combine the grated potatoes with some finely chopped onions, a beaten egg, flour, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together until well combined. Heat a generous amount of oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Spoon the potato mixture into the hot oil, flattening it with the back of a spoon to form pancakes. Cook the pancakes until they turn golden brown and crispy on both sides. The result will be a heavenly combination of soft, fluffy potatoes and a satisfying crunch. And there you have it, a tantalizing feast of spicy, tangy spare ribs, sautéed vegetables, and crispy potato pancakes. Each bite will transport you to a world of bold flavors and culinary bliss. So gather your ingredients, fire up the grill, and let your taste buds embark on this unforgettable journey.